Connecting the electrifier to power and devices. Step 1. Ensure that the power to the wall socket is off. Step 2. Plug the electrifier into the wall socket. Step 3. Now you can plug the device you want to control into the automated socket of the electrifier. As an extra, you can still use the socket named Direct on the electrifier as a normal plug. Step 4. Turn the power of the socket to the device back on. A red light inside the electrifier will indicate it is powered. Pairing the electrifier as Direct Connect. Before continuing, please ensure that you have the Silux Control app installed and registered. Step 1. Ensure that your electrifier has power. Step 2. On your smart device, scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Step 3. Connect to the electrifier's Wi-Fi. If you are unsure which name refers to your Silux Control Electrifier, it can be located on the bottom of your electrifier as SSID along with the default password. When prompted for a password, use the password provided. Step 4. Once you have successfully connected to the electrifier's Wi-Fi, open your Silux Control app. Step 5. In the drop-down menu, tap on Add Devices. Then select the electrifier you have added. You will be given the option to add hub devices or add Wi-Fi devices. Tap on Add Wi-Fi devices. The Silux Control app will automatically start the discovery process. Step 6. Find your electrifier on your Silux Control network and tap on the plus next to it. Step 7. Rename your device and select the area where it is located. This makes it easier for you to find on your Silux Control app. Step 8. Insert the MAC address or scan the QR code on the back of your device and tap on Save. A message will pop up saying, "Device saved successfully." On your home page, you will be able to switch your devices on or off via the electrifier. You will also see a blue light on top of the electrifier that will indicate it is successfully connected and powered. Setting desired schedules and scenes. Step 1. Tap on your saved device name from the home screen. Step 2. Set schedules and scenes. Adding the electrifier to your local network. Step 1. In the drop-down menu, tap on Edit Devices and navigate to Advanced Settings. Step 2. Enter your local network information and tap on Connect to Wi-Fi. Once the electrifier has rebooted and joined your network, the app will do an automatic discovery of the device to be used on your network. Pairing the electrifier to the remote cloud connectivity. Step 1. Ensure that your electrifier has power. Step 2. Open the Silux Control app and navigate to Edit Device. Step 3. Select your electrifier in the list. Step 4. Tap on Advanced Settings and select Use Relay Server.